Okay, a recap and an update on the Chevy Bolt. The two from this shop that I did about 2 or 3 videos ago. Now I'm here for a recharge after the recovery. But the last one that left had a whole mess of codes for the air conditioning that was making the air conditioning work intermittently. And on the Chevy Bolt, like many other new vehicles, when you necessarily have to remove the 12-volt battery to get access to sheet metal parts or any other collision damage, and sometimes disable the high voltage battery, a lot of codes will be set, and body shops have to deal with this. There's an online program where they have equipment that interfaces with an internet to a company that will run all the diagnosis codes and sit you behind a seat, have you on the phone, and walk you through the procedures of resetting the codes. So the Chevy Volt that I was at the other day was working intermittently and kind of funny. Like sometimes it would work, it'd be in the 50s and the 40s, and then they took it on a test drive and it was probably somewhere up in the 60s. They had to go back online with the company to plug into the to plug into the phone line, the internet line, hook up the scanner, and have the company walk them through the clear codes. One was on the ambient temperature switch that would usually be located somewhere out here in the bumper. Other vehicles, it's in other locations. A few other AC codes in the body control module just to get the air conditioning working again correctly. And this is happening more and more on all vehicles. And they'll probably have to go through that procedure on this Chevy Bolt exactly like the other one. And you don't give this time away. This is billable mechanical labor rate hours, roughly like 1.3 hours or so, just to hook up, do the online, clear the codes, and get it running again. And you're starting to have to do this on every vehicle when all power is cut off to a vehicle. That is part of the air conditioning cost. If it was a front-end body shop damage, I could get it recharged, I might be able to get it operating, but it'll have intermittent or not proper operating system, and now we're having to hook up either your scanner in shop or the internet umbilical to one of those large companies that specialize in serving body shops or mechanical shops, where they run you through the procedures of clearing all codes and getting everything running again, including things like windows don't operate properly after all the power has been disconnected for a period of weeks at a time. So that's it for this short video. I'm about to charge up. This is a YF. Oh, one other little note. The Chevy Bolt holds 725 grams. In today's terms for YF, that's as much refrigerant as a van or a large SUV. So this little tiny car holds as much refrigerant as a larger SUV or van with a dual air conditioning system. Catch you on the next video.